Next is question number 5, part A. At a football match, the price of an adult ticket is X dollar and the price of a child ticket is X minus $2.50. There are 18,500 adults and 2,400 children attending the football match. The total amount paid for the tickets is $320,040. Find the price of an adult ticket. There are 18,500 adult and the price for an adult ticket is X dollar, so multiplied by X, plus there are 2,400 children and the price of a child ticket is X minus 2.50. Total amount paid for the ticket is $320,040. This will be 18,500 X plus 2,400 X minus 2,400 times 2.50 is 6,000 equals 320,040. Now 18,500 plus 2,400 is 20,900. X equals, this will be 320,040 plus 6,000, 326,040, 326,040. So X is equal to 326,040 over 20,900 divided by 20,900, which is 15.6. So price of an adult ticket is $15.6. Next is part 2, diagram not to scale. The area of the rectangle is 84 centimeters square. Find the perimeter. Area equals y plus 5 into y, and area of the rectangle is 84. 84 will be equal to y square plus 5y. Y square plus 5y minus 84 equals 0, and from part 1 it can be factorized as y minus 7 into y plus 12, which is equal to 0. From this, either y minus 7 is 0 or y plus 12 is 0. So y equals 7 or y equals minus 12, and perimeter of the rectangle is given by 2 into sum of its length and its width. So y plus 5 plus y, which is equal to 2 into 2y plus 5. Now using its positive root, which is 7, 2 into 2 times 7 plus 5, 2 into 2 times 7 plus 5 equals 38. So perimeter of the rectangle is 38 centimeter. Next is part C. In a shop, the price of a monthly magazine is $M and the price of a weekly magazine is M minus $0.75. One day the shop receives $168 from selling monthly magazines, $207 from selling weekly magazines. The total number of these magazines sold during this day is 100. Part first is show that 50m square minus 225m plus 63 equals 0. Number of monthly magazines will be 168 over m, plus number of weekly magazines will be 207 over m minus 0.75, and total number of magazines sold during this day is 100. So taking its LCM, m into m minus 0.75, this will be 168 into m minus 0.75 plus 207m equals 100. This will be 168 into m minus 0.75 plus 207m equals 100 into, this will be m square minus 0.75m. 168m minus 168 times 0.75 is 126 plus 207m equals 100m square minus 0.75 times 100 is 75m. Now 168 plus 207 is 375. 375m minus 126 equals 100m square minus 75m. 100m square minus 75 and minus 375. Minus 75 minus 375 is minus 450 plus 126 equals 0. Dividing this whole equation with 2, this will be 50m square minus 225m plus 63 equals 0. Hence proved. Next is part 2. Find the price of a monthly magazine. Show all your working. Now the equation is 50m square minus 225m plus 63 equal 0. By quadratic formula, m is equal to minus into minus 225 plus minus 225 square minus 4 times 50 times 63 over 2 times 50 equals 225 plus minus, solving this square root, minus 225 square minus 4 times 50 times 63 is 195 over 100. Now m is equal to 225 plus 195 over 100, or m is equal to 225 minus 195 over 100. 225 plus 195 divided by 100 is 4.2. From this, 225 minus 195 over 100 is 0.3, and we have to calculate price of a monthly magazine, and price of a monthly magazine is $, and weekly magazine is M minus 0.75. 0.4 is less than 0.75, so which is not possible. So price will be $4.2.